sesama.
Palomalo, o falim pa foi a lesur sunga o fa pia foi farku o yai o auli o san ku ka wa ke u ma ka mo fi ling mo le o yai foi male mangu mai le la fa tai ke fa tai fa loan
Just a disclaimer, if you don't like looking at meat being cut or just the raw meat, don't look. Fast forward. I'm gonna try this stir fry. Always gotta shoo the fly. Like, look at that family. Oh my goodness, I can't take myself seriously with these burns.
They love it. It's solid.
Oh, so good.
It's freshy.
Wow. I wonder what sort of fish it is.
Very, very fresh.
So this is a pork. Is it good? Wow. I'm really enjoying this salad. So from our trip yesterday, I got so cooked. Look at that, all red. I got it all on my chest, on my shoulders, but this side is the worst side. What was I thinking? What was I thinking sitting in the back of the ute like that?
Got him!
It's okay, hopefully it goes away soon. I just hate it when things touch it. Okay, we're gonna eat and then we'll be back.
Yum!
Do you like the mango? Is the mango yum?
Fella!
No.
Samoa, a ole nei ua patalalo, a ofea ele au tulatoa. Itama se a ela iloa, ile tau mafaina ole maua Samoa, a ole nei ua patalalo, a ofea ele au tulatoa.
So we just brought some of our kids to Frankie Moore that is in Faleasiu. Is this still Faleasiu?
This is Utuali'i.
Ukuali'i. In Utuali'i. I can't even say it. In Utuali'i. And we're just going to go into Frankie Moore and see what they want. Either we get them ice cream or maybe some chips. Shot to our sponsor over here.
Not really, yeah. Nah, but it's good seeing the kids happy.
They're so happy
Just
that
happy
they
to get
got
out
to,
and-
leave the house. Okay. Alright fam, so we just got their food. They got what they wanted, which is mainly just like pastry stuff. Was it like donut stuff eh, honey?
Yeah. Cinnamon donuts, I think like glazed kind of bit. I'll show us donut.
Oh, this guy's donut. He really wanted that donut. We also got them a pack of ice cream and they got drinks. So now we're gonna head on back. Hopefully these guys eat their food. Kan ko fumele ko ngaki. Besok kan ko ko. Ay, poco le haga. I love spoiling these guys because they're so grateful, honestly. Even if it's a piece of something, like they're so grateful, eh, honey?
Yeah, they know us by now.
Yeah.
Every time they see us, it's like they go like,
When are we going for a ride? So yeah, family. Yeah, mangai de ko ngaki. Eh, yam. Feme suka la. Feme suka la.
Yum, nice and good.
Yeah? But it's yum. Say, mangai de ko ngaki. Fe sekia sa mua chu.
Komiti ole matali ele bala au tu salava pe fa afola u tu so pe fa afola u tu so pe fa au mutau pe fa asala e fa avava komiti ole matali ele bala au tu salava pe fa afola u tu so pe fa afola u tu so pe fa au mutau Sala ifa avavau Ie la 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 Ole pele ni esa uie tao Se itau tua ile malo
So we just got back and Auntie Fakino is doing the coco.
Ui, ya kakamo.
Nah, up there sekali.
Masih off cama.
Voldi.
Olha.
Voldi.
Oi, olha é Voldi. Oi, papa.
Pahinga, Papa. Sarah, Chris, Ria, Otte.
They got a little pig. It's alright. Stop running. Yep, that's the little piggy. He wouldn't come. He's a bit scared. But yeah, fam. Go see what these guys are up to down there.
Em mà nói đi vậy em mà nói quá rồi.
You got me feeling all alone, na 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 na. Don't wanna leave me here. Oh, girl, you make me wanna we so love, we're all feeling, feeling. Only I saw it for you. The time I survived, I told you was side, so she said, if I'm out of money, your timing, otefa apeane ai, ole time osuya la urai, taluona tao mai, pia la wainga, ua eta ule amana ia mai ita, wapeyo a usepolonga, ile fatua inga, taya ile fa alongo le fa ya ba ita.
Okay fam, so we just got home not long ago. Tux and Jason have gone to get us some dinner. We're gonna have dinner and then play some cards and then go to sleep. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed our little day spent in Ngofuali'i. If you're from Ngofuali'i, shout out to you. We love you guys so much. But we have to give our ngu'u shout out before we leave. So how we do our ngu'u shout out is we just go to the comment section and then I scroll stop, and it goes to Local Savaian. Oh my gosh, love the song, so heartwarming, beautiful voices and lyrics. That's why I finally subscribed. Shout out to you, he or she. Music is power. God bless your beautiful talents. Manguia le tausanga fo tele alofa mafa alualu. Oh, and a humble shout out to my village, Fuailunga, in the southwest of beautiful Savai'i. Alofa atu. Shout out to you, Local Savaian. We love you guys so much, and like we always say, keep it litty. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We love you, TNS family. So far, soy fua.